Well, today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with Google Chrome not opening in Windows computer, guys. Let's fix that problem, guys. First thing you want to do is right click on the taskbar and select the task manager, and in task manager you just need to search for Google Chrome in apps, guys. Google Chrome, and just right click on it and select in task. So Google Chrome doesn't open it, can be acquired or any bug it will doesn't open it, guys. Look for background processes as well. Search for Google Chrome, and if you see it you just need to right click on it and select end task. Just need to end task it, guys. Windows process background process, you just need to check it in background process, and after doing it close out of here and right click on the Google Chrome, guys. Right click on it and select open file location. You just need to rename the Google Chrome, guys. For that right click on it, select the show more option, select the show more option and select the rename and Chrome 1. I'm gonna name this as Chrome 1. Name this as well, you guys do it like this, Chrome 1. Press enter, and after doing it you can able to open it, guys. Now your problem has been resolved. No password or anything will deleted in Google Chrome, guys. And now we can be open like this. And now what you have to do is just right click on it and you just want to pin to taskbar or pin to start, or you can send shortcuts to your desktop, guys. You can send shortcuts to desktop, but if you still having a problem not opening like this is not opening, guys, you just want to reinstall the Google Chrome, guys. Again you just want to uninstall the Google Chrome and reinstall it, and there is no other way to resolve it, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.